In this step-by-step guide to using data table in Salesforce Flows, let's first see what we are trying to build. We are on the account record of Edge Communications. Notice that currently there are only 2 contacts for this account, Sean and Rose. We are going to add more contacts using the screen flow. On the top right-hand side there is a button to add more contacts. This is going to call a screen flow containing the data table. Let's click on this button. The screen flow will present a form where users will be able to add multiple contacts in one go. In this form you see a data entry screen where users can enter first name, last name, email and mobile phone of the new contact. Below the data entry screen there are 2 data table components. The first data table component will show all the new contacts that we will be adding. And the second data table will show all the existing contacts for the current account. Let's go ahead and enter the details of the first contact that we want to add. Then click Next. The flow will bring us back to the same screen, where we can add another contact. Now in the first data table you can also see the name of the first contact that I have just added. Let's add another one and click Next. Flow will bring us back to the same screen to allow us to add yet another contact. We will add one more and click Next. As you can notice, all the 3 contacts that we just added are showing in the first data table. Now, let's just click Next without filling anything further in the form. Based on the logic built in the flow will not show us the data entry form again and will take us to another screen which will show all the records that we have just added. This is also shown in the data table, but this time it allows us to select or unselect one or more records. This will give us an option to unselect one or more records, if we do not want to create it in Salesforce. So here I'm going to uncheck the record for Chris and then click on Create Selected Contacts. Salesforce will create just 2 records. Abel and Sage. It will not create the record for Chris as we unselected that. You can verify the same by looking at the contacts under the contact related list. This is what we are going to build in our step-by-step guide using data table in Flow.